pork belly, our nice 19-pound, 19.36 pound pork belly. This is going to be our outside skirt steak, our inside skirt steak. Our flank steak's going to come out of here. Our ribs are going to be cut out of here. There's our spare ribs. We're then going to use this portion here. We can cure this for bacon. The rest of this can be chopped. We can actually cut these. We can do a couple of what's called pork belly chops, as well as once we take the rest of the ribs off. Of course, we'll have some bacon out of here. We've got a lot left. We have the white fat on the other side that we can use for making sausage, plus all the scraps that are going to be great for making sausage. There's our tomatoes and our shallots. But this is the star of the show here, the pork belly.